Hey everyone, I am back with another video. I call it as a black bling. For those who are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Indrakshi and I love to do nails. For today's video, I will doing acrylic nails on Olivia. So let's get started. Starting with the artificial nails. Take some nail glue on the artificial nail and place the nail on the nail bed. Then for the coffin shape, I cut it as you can see and file it. For the acrylic application, I used an 8 number brush. I dip the brush firstly into the monomer and dip it into the acrylic powder. Then place the bead on the nails and drag it slowly downwards. Level it until you get a proper shape. After that, put black polish and then make 2 thin straight lines with white polish. V on the top and vertical lines within it. Ta-da! We are done. Here is the final look. Hope you like it. Hit the bell icon and subscribe to my channel. It is free of cost, and don't forget to press the bell icon for never miss an update. See you in my next video. Bye.